What it is, what's up, what's popping, what's cracking, like, and all that. So basically today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful color. This is the color I was going for. It came out perfect, flawless. I'm loving it. And the hair I'm wearing is from Asteria Hair Company, and they sent me a 6x6 closure, and I'm not sure what specific inches I got, I forgot, but I will have all of the hair information down below in the description box. So the positives about a 6x6 closure is that it's very versatile, and it's like a fake frontal. Basically it's just a longer closure but a shorter frontal, so you're still using a closure but you're getting the frontal look that you want. So yeah, I really love that. As y'all can see, the hair is still very flowy, shiny, and beautiful. These how the ends look. Still looks pretty healthy. Excuse my nails, I didn't get them done. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so in this clip you'll just see me showing y'all the inside of the wig. Yes, the lace is already cut because I already wore the wig before, but I'm just doing this video for you guys just to show you guys how you could vamp up any old wig. So I'm gonna be using this bleach, and I think I'm gonna be using 30 volume developer. So basically you put it in a bowl, and you don't have to do all that measuring stuff. You just pour and do it as you go. But for the bleaching of the knots, I like to have mine pretty thick, and honestly I could have made this mixture thicker, but yeah, when you're bleaching your knots you do want to make sure that your mixture is thick, but when you're bleaching hair it could be on the thinner side. So I went ahead and finished bleaching this, and I don't have a specific time. I like to leave it on there. I kind of just keep looking at it, but I think I did end up leaving it on there for about 10 minutes, I want to say, and I rinsed it out. So now as you can see, I'm kind of blow drying the hair a little bit, and I'm about to start bleaching the ends. So this is the hair fully blow dried, and we're going to take aluminum foil in a little section, and you're going to put the aluminum foil under the hair. And I got these pop-up sheets. It's very quick. It's already torn up for you, so you just put it up thing, and it's just so much easier. Now I recommend you starting from the very tip. I don't know why I have a bad habit of starting wherever my hand is. It's just a bad habit, but start at the very tip if you want that ombre effect. Even though I did it and I still pretty much got that same effect, I'm just making sure that you guys understand, if you want it to go from dark to light, you need to start at the bottom for the lightest. Don't start where I started. Even though I'm still getting the same results, I just don't want anyone else to try this at home and mess up. So don't look at me starting at the middle, start at the very end. So this is how all the ends look when it's all fully bleached, and I'm revealing one of them. And as you can see, it took the bleach very well. Now I'm about to just start doing the two front piece sections because I want this to be blonde as well. I want it to match the way my ends are. So I'm already starting that, and you can leave off space at the top part. Like you might want your roots to still be natural black, and you can do that. It's really all up to you. This is just the way I did it, and mine came out pretty cute to me, so it's all up to you. But yeah, go ahead and wrap that up because you want this to be blonde. So we're going to go ahead and wrap that up in aluminum foil. It's going to work its magic. And here are the rest of the ends. It's already working. So I'm going to take all these aluminum foil papers off, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to, you know, comb this way through to make sure every string is coated. Now you'll just see me adding bleach to where I have some of the black parts still, because I want that to be basically the color the ends are right now, and I'm going to go back and lighten the ends. So that's what you just see me doing, just adding bleach. So just keep doing that throughout the whole head, or whichever way you like to do it, however much you want bleach, then bleach it. If you don't want to bleach, then don't. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed all that out, and I know it looks dark, but trust me, after you blow dry it, it's going to look lighter. I don't know how it does it like that, but it's just how I do. So I went ahead and blow dried it, not all the way, but just enough so where it's like, you know, the bleach would take good enough. So as you can see, I'm going back on my ends, and I'm lightening my ends some more because y'all know I want it to be more of like a blondish, honey blonde. So that's what I'm going for, and yeah, I'm just doing that. So then I realized that I wanted my two front ends to be a little bit more blonde. So I'm just going to go back with more bleach and go ahead and bleach that off again. But I had to make sure the part was straight enough because I didn't want to add any more black strands to it. So went ahead and did that, bleached that some more. And we're going to wrap that back up in aluminum foil. So these were the results after letting it sit for a little while longer, and I'm just showing you it took so well. I'm so happy that the hair took the bleach really good. I kind of did have my doubts before I started the process, but yeah. So I'm just rinsing it all out. I don't know why it's yellow. I guess because of the bleach. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just rinsing all that out, and I'm going to use my purple shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm going to use regular conditioner. And I like to let my conditioner sit a little bit, and I'm going to rinse it out then I'm going to go back and I'm going to blow dry it. So now we're just going to be using some toner, and I will have the exact information for the toner down below in the description box. But you want to mix it up. You want to mix the toner with some developer. I ended up running out of developer, so sucks for me. But mix that up, y'all, and go ahead and apply that to the hair. Now when you apply that to the hair, you're going to let it sit for a while. You're going to rinse it out, blow dry, and style, and this is how you get this look. Alright y'all, so I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.